Hey there, hardware startup enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about making your entrepreneurial journey a breeze. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can take your procurement flow to the next level. Yep, you guessed it, we're talking about integrating purchase orders. Now, don't let those words scare you off. We've got your back, and it's going to be easier than you think. So, picture this, you're managing your purchase orders with ControlHub, and the integration process is as smooth as a hot knife through butter. Seriously, it's that simple. Here's how you do it. Step 1, set up your suppliers. You know, those amazing folks who provide you with all the goods and services you need to keep your business humming. In ControlHub, you just add their contact information, purchase order terms, and delivery times. It's like giving your suppliers a VIP pass to your procurement party. Step 2, create purchase orders. When you're ready to place an order, just hop into ControlHub and create a purchase order. And guess what? We've got some magic up our sleeves. ControlHub automatically fills in all the correct information from your supplier's database. Say goodbye to those pesky manual entries and hello to efficiency. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Step 3, approve those purchase orders. We all know that the wheels of progress need a little push sometimes. With ControlHub, you can approve purchase orders with just a few clicks. It's fast, it's easy, and it keeps everything moving forward. Step 4, keep tabs on your purchases and spending. We're all about helping you stay on top of your game. ControlHub allows you to track all your past and current purchase orders in one neat place. You'll be able to see at a glance how much you're spending with different suppliers and keep a watchful eye on your budget. It's like having a personal financial advisor for your procurement needs. Alright, folks, you ready for the grand finale? Drumroll, please. It's time to take ControlHub for a spin with our free trial. You heard that right, a free trial. We want to show you how this tool can supercharge your purchase order creation process and take your hardware startup to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let manual data entry and approval delays slow you down. Click that link below and sign up for your free trial of ControlHub today. Trust me, you won't regret it. With our user-friendly interface and automated features, we're here to make your life easier and help you conquer the world of hardware startups. Thanks for joining us, and remember, keep that entrepreneurial spirit alive and kicking. Until next time, happy sourcing!